Hey guys, today we are next to Audi Q7 with electric glove box. Mechanism like that was also fitted in other Audi cars, and you don't have any handles over here, no lock that you can close the glove box, but instead you have a button over here. When you press it, the glove box pops open. You have two locking pins. One is over here and the other one is over here, and when you press the button on the dashboard, you can see that this pin hides, so the locking mechanism is in the glove box door. Also, if I press on this side on the mechanism, you can see that the other side moves as well. So what we want to do, if you want to open this glove box with no electric power, or if the button is damaged, or if the mechanism inside is damaged, is you need to access the fuse panel, which is over here. I have some prying tools to remove it, like this. And right now we will going to look through this hole, and there's, oh, there it is, there's a little plastic hole over there. Can you see it? Right in the middle. So we're going to guide a screwdriver through one of those holes and get that screwdriver into the hole that's deep inside over there. Press over there, and this will actually press the mechanism that I've just showed you and should open the glove box. So let's try it. And it's open. Okay, that's it for today. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.